products are not the only things that crisscross the oceans. So does money. And a lot of it comes from multinationals. That is, businesses that invest in plant and equipment abroad. Multinational corporations can be defined as corporations with plants in at least 6 countries and with at least 20% of their production coming from outside their base country. Multinational investment is increasing rapidly. Portfolio investment in foreign countries, an alternative to direct investment often made by multinationals, is increasing too, though it is less important for business than direct foreign investment. Multinationals, are commonly known as MNCs, can take advantage of national differences to make profits. An MNC may locate its manufacturing in the Far East because of cheap labor, its research and development in the United States and Western Europe with their best educated populations, its storage and marketing in South America and Japan near major markets, and its base in a country with low business taxes. Multinationals of this type hire financial managers who can pinpoint the best loan in the world for a particular purpose on a particular day. For many MNCs, a national border is of no more importance than a state border. By purchasing resources where they are least costly and selling products where they are most needed, multinationals also contribute to a better world standard of living. And they may bind countries together so tightly that war could become unthinkable. But multinationals may be too powerful and could suffer in a politically unstable world. Their power already exceeds that of some small countries, and there are fears that they may use this power to zealously protect their investments. Multinationals are also accused of moving investments away from their home countries where they may be needed. But a multinational can also be hurt by a foreign government. As a symbol of foreign power, a multinational can find its operations in a country nationalized, taken over, perhaps with no compensation. A multinational can watch a host country's currency decline, carrying with it the value of the company's investment. To minimize these risks, multinationals are employing more managers from the host countries themselves. They are also selling more stock and bonds in the countries to create home-based lobbies to fight nationalization. And they sometimes avoid going directly into risky countries, that is, for selling instead their technology and how to technology and know-how to a company already located there. Log on to my website www.asifjmeer.com. I also urge you to visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. Thank you for your time. God bless you.